Kid, I need to go see Alpha Jace and tell him we've arrived. You're gonna be okay?
I'm great. Better than before.
Natalie? Is that you?
Mercedes, oh my God. It's been forever. I can't believe you never came to visit. Look, about your parents, I'm so sorry.
Don't be. They died fighting. Better than living like Derek?
I can't believe he just ran. He didn't even bring Regina. What kind of alpha leaves behind his Luna? Sorry, I forgot.
It's fine. I'm so over that. So, tell me about this Alpha Jace.
Well, he's like 10 times more efficient than Derek, but 10 times more vicious.
You mean murderous? He killed my parents.
Well, we're not entirely sure how they died.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna kill him.
Who are you gonna kill?
Wait, I know you. I've seen you. A year ago at Derek's stupid birthday party. Nat, he's...
I remember. No apology from you.
I'm so sorry about that. I was not myself at all that night.
Apology accepted. Did you just get back here?
Yeah, I haven't been back in a long time. It all seems so strange.
Let me walk you home.
Sure, it's that way. I'm Natalie, by the way.
So you decided to abandon this Alpha Derek and your pack?
I didn't give my whole youth to Derek just to have him screw me over like that. And I thought my parents would be okay without me.
I heard you earlier. The Alpha, he didn't kill your parents.
I'll find out the truth. And when I do... This is me.
What?
Oh, this is my house. Thanks for walking me. He didn't even tell me his name.
I thought you'd be home earlier.
I ran into a childhood friend and a hottie. A weirdo, though. You've got to be kidding me. How did Alpha Psycho get my phone number?
He has all our numbers. He's very hands-on with his pack.
Well, I'm getting out of here the second we find out what happened to Mom and Dad. Jerk.
Welcome back, Natalie. Welcome back, Natalie.
How'd you get in?
I go where I want. So that's what you're dreaming of.
What the hell? Who are you?
Don't worry. You'll know soon enough. Now go back to sleep, sweetheart.
What the... Shit. Dude, oh my God, I'm so late. Hey, buddy. What's with the long face? Where's the tyrant?
Beta, tell me, am I a tyrant?
No, Alpha Jace, you're not.
Unfortunately, I don't know who you're referring to, Natalie.
You are Alpha Jace? You are Alpha Jace?
Yes, and you are very late. You might as well just miss the entire practice. We're just getting to the last part. Everyone, we'll get to the good stuff now. Sparring. Care to demonstrate with me? You seem to think you can.
I will gladly kick your ass.
Let's go, Meg. Come on. Come on, Jace. There we go. Get her.
Shame. I liked you better before I realized you were a killer.
Don't talk to me like that.
And a jerk.
If you disrespect me again, there will be consequences.
So where'd you learn to fight like that? Your rogue grandpa?
Thought it was disabled.
Did he teach you this new attitude? Hey, big shot. They're talking to you.
What do you want, Regina?
I just wanted to give you some advice, bestie. I see you working hard to get the Alpha's attention just like the old days. Remember how that ended? Alpha Jace is gonna abandon you too.
Wait, didn't your Alpha Derek totally run away without you?
At least I still have my parents.
Oh my! Bitch!
How was your training with Alpha Jace?
Don't get me started.
And the boy you met yesterday?
Consider him imaginary.
I finished handling your parents' affairs. This house belongs to you now. You can stay here as long as you want.
Me? I mean, what about you?
Well, I talked with Alpha Jace, and he's okay with me attending to minimal pack duties from the woods.
I'm coming with you.
Nat, kid, listen, being here might do you some good. It's safe and it's part of who you are.
I know who I am, Gramp. I don't want anything to do with this pack. I haven't for a long time. I'm gonna go shower.
The notorious Grandpa Prince.
What do you want, Alpha Jace?
Strange. You call me that, but I don't sense respect in your voice.
I've heard things about you, Alpha. I was never a fan of tyranny.
Why were you and your granddaughter living away from the pack?
I was excused from pack duties due to my leg injury.
Bullshit. You're perfectly fine. You were the beta and you left your pack. I want to know why.
In that case, I want to know why my son and his wife are dead. You have no idea who you are, kid.
Do I sense some love troubles? I live in your head, you know. I think you like that, Alpha Jace.
You must be the nosiest wolf around here. And you're wrong.
I just sense strong tension there.
There's tension because I can't stand him. And don't forget... What the hell?
The Alpha wants to see you in his office. Now.
You didn't answer my text.
Well, my phone was smashed.
And what's that?
Seriously? That's what you wanted to talk about? Not answering your texts?
Natalie! I know you dump water on Regina. I won't allow bullying in my pack. I don't care how Derek ran this place before, but under me, you will be obedient and mature. Are we clear? You will apologize to Regina.
You murdered my parents in cold blood, but play hero with Regina?
I told you. I didn't kill them.
Who did then? What happened?
I'm your alpha. I don't have to explain or repeat myself. And I told you. You disrespect me again, there'd be consequences.
What are you gonna do? Kill me too?
I'm not gonna kill you, Natalie. There are other ways of punishing you.
Like what?
Final warning. Learn some respect. Get out.
I knew it! You want him.
Shut up! Hey! Who's there?
What's wrong, kid? Food not good?
No, sorry, I feel like somebody's been watching.
Watching you?
Yeah, it's just, I had a weird dream and there was something with my phone, and then today in the woods, I don't know, maybe I'm being paranoid, but I feel like somebody's been watching.
He's found you.
What? Who?
We need to get you out of here. He knows you're here. We need to go see Alpha Jace.
Wait, stop it, you're freaking me out! Grandpa, tell me what's going on.
Natalie, go home now. Get inside. Now! And don't mention the note to anyone. Alpha Jace, there's been a murder.
A what? Where?
A young she-wolf murdered right in front of our house. You need to send people over stat.
Is Natalie okay?
Yes, but not for long.
Help us on the way. But listen, old man. I will not put my pack in danger. Who are you?
Alpha. Our forensics pathologist inspected Brittany's body. Broken neck, snapped clean. But that wasn't the cause of death.
What do you mean? What was it then?
Doc thinks they found puncture wounds on Brittany's neck. The characteristics of the
Vampire bite. They're back.
But they've been quiet for over a decade, ever since the battle. Their leader swore to leave us.
That old bastard Lorenzo can't be trusted. None of them can. Damn it. Keep this quiet for now, Beta. I don't want panic.
But what if they attack again?
They won't. I won't let that happen. We lost too many fighting that battle. I didn't spend all these years building and expanding West Point just to let them hurt it again.
Yes, Alpha.
Amp up security. Also keep an eye on the Prince family. Natalie and her grandpa, I don't trust them.
You shameless bitch! You killed Brittany! How dare you show your face here?
Really? I'm the one who found her body. I called it in. If it wasn't for me, then...
You're lying. I know that you killed her just because she slapped you.
What's going on here?
Alpha, why haven't you banished Natalie yet? She's a murderer.
Did you? Kill Brittany.
Are you kidding me? No. You know I didn't. This is absurd.
Very well. We'll begin training with sparring practice today. Natalie. Regina. Fight!
What?
But we can't fight because
I don't want to fight a murderer. Put her on trial.
It's your word against hers. So fight it out. The wolf way.
Oh, you're going down today, bestie.
You're gonna be eating your words right after this.
Fight hasn't started.
Natalie, this is your first and final warning.
Training pause for today. Everyone go home. Border Patrol just sent this in. They found another body.
Oh my god. There's a serial killer on the loose.
Serial killer or not, it's definitely not Nat.
How do you know?
Are you dumb? She's staying right here with us, isn't she?
And you are?
Peter. I'm Peter. A fan, really.
Peter has a huge crush on you.
Mercedes. Natalie, are you free tomorrow? We're going hunting, and I thought, safer together.
I'd love to. But please call me Nat. Only old people and strangers call me Natalie.
What was your relationship with Brittany?
Non-existent? I didn't know her.
That's because she was a West Point PAC member, an original one. And now she's dead, along with another West Point member.
My condolences. But that's all I have to offer. Look, I don't know what you have against me, but I'm not a murderer.
I could say the same to you.
You think I killed them? Really?
I think you hold resentment against me and the West Point PAC.
You know what I think? I think there's someone here at Lakeshore, or West Point, or whatever you want to call it now.
What do you mean someone's here?
You're probably not going to believe me, but someone's been stalking me. I'm sure of it.
Go on.
I don't feel safe here. And I don't expect you to help me deal with it because I don't want to stay anyway. My parents are dead and there's nothing left for me
Move
here.
in with me.
What? What?
There's nowhere safer than the pack house.
Are you serious? Alpha, I can't move in with you.
Well, you are. That's an order.
But why? I can just leave the pack and
No,
then...
Natalie. You're a member of my pack now, and whether we like each other or not, it's my responsibility to ensure your safety. The decision is final.
Sure, there are other ways we can...
Stop disobeying me, Natalie Prince.
Fine.
Not exactly a thank you, but we'll work on that. You move in tomorrow.
So, moving into Alpha Jace's.
Don't get me started.
I think it's sweet of him. You know, he's well into his 20s, but still unmated. And as far as I know, you are as well. Maybe that's where your attraction comes from. A mate bond?
Okay, there's no attraction, and there's definitely no mate bond with Alpha Jerk.
Okay. I'm just saying, he can keep you safe. I like that. Something definitely lurking around here.
Yeah, no, I'd rather take my chances.
Well, listen, kid. Speaking of safety, I've decided to stay for a while, you know? Keep an eye on you.
Well, why don't we just leave together?
No, we can't. Someone's targeting you. Moving back into the woods away from the others will only make you an easier target.
But, Gramps, why would somebody be stalking me? Do you know something?
No, it's just... I just have a bad feeling.
I still can't believe Natalie has no idea how you feel.
I know. I mean, am I making it not obvious enough? Tardiness seems to be your thing.
And yours is hunting with bows and arrows? What is this, the Hunger Games? So we're not gonna talk about it? Talk about what? You living with Alpha Jace? How did you hear about that already? Oh, please. We all do. You're literally the talk of the town.
Do you like him?
Alpha Jace?
Mm-hmm. I don't. And I was born a West Point Pack member, not conquered or taken in by him. And that's what he does. He conquers.
And what's wrong with that? I think it's sexy as hell. Don't you, Nat?
No, and I don't care. I'm moving in with him purely for safety reasons.
So no, Peter, I don't like him. What the hell?
The bullet only scratched me. Why can't I heal?
Shit, Mercedes, it's a silver nitrate bullet. Alpha Jace, Peter's been shot. Nat thinks it's silver nitrate. Yes. We're in the woods. North side. Yes, Alpha. Peter, can you walk? Okay. Alpha Jace orders to return right away.
The attacker's still out there.
Exactly, and his person knows Silver's fatal to us, so we can't just stay here and risk our lives. So, Natalie, where are you going? Stop it, you coward! Come out and face me! I know you've been stalking...
Shit, Peter. Where's Peter? Is he okay? Did you get the bastard? Oh my god, did he hurt anyone else? Is he my stalker? Can you answer my questions, please? My friend was in danger.
You were in danger. How hard is it to follow a single order, huh? I ordered you to return. Look, you could have been shot, Natalie, by a silver fucking bullet. You could have been another body, damn it. Don't you understand?
You don't get to touch me after you disobeyed me.
Just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly. The way I put my finger on it. See me fly. You got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly. The way I put my finger on it. See me fly. You got it.
Stay here and recover. You see some training this week. This is your room now, so better get used to it.
Where are you going?
Back to work.
But we literally...
I have a pack to run. I mean it, Natalie. Stay here.
What just happened?
He's just shy.
Or bipolar. Come in.
Our hero. Are you okay?
I didn't even catch the guy. But I'm okay. Peter?
Bullet grazed me. Hurts like hell, but I'll be fine.
We're more worried about you. I've never seen Alpha Jace like that.
What do you mean?
He was furious. The moment I told him you went after the attacker, he shifted and ran to the woods. I saw his wolf. It was magnificent.
And?
And he found you, carried you on his back, and sprinted all the way back here. Yelled at everyone he saw. Never seen him like that.
Want to come out with us tonight?
You gonna go out to a party like this? Can you even dance?
I was raised by wolves.
Will Alpha Jace be okay with that?
He doesn't know Nat, does he?
No, of course not.
Sorry, I'm here. Let's get inside.
Nat, you look absolutely stunning.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Peter.
It's okay.
But thanks. Excuse me.
Good evening, beautiful. Came here alone?
No, I don't know. Have we met?
Maybe in your dreams. Here. Here.
I feel like we have met in my dreams. Your voice, your accent.
Pardon my manners. I'm Silas, and I'm not from here.
Silas. Your accent. Are you from England?
Something like that.
Nat, what's taking so long? Who's this?
Yeah. Who is this?
This is my new friend, Silas.
I don't like him. Something about you ain't right.
Silas, I'm so sorry about my friend.
It's no problem. I was actually just leaving. But Natalie, I'll be seeing you around.
Peter, what's wrong with you?
Something's way off about him. My wolf's fighting to come out.
No, I don't know. I think he's my mate.
He's your mate?
Sorry. Rain, check on the drinks.
Nat, slow down. I don't like this. Something's off.
I know what I felt. Mate bond.
If he's our mate, I would have felt something too, but all I felt was...
Shit.
What are you doing here? I told you to stay in my room.
I'm not your pet. Plus, do you know how rude it was that you just left me there after we... Just let go. I lost my mate.
Your what?
My mate. I found him, then he left.
Come with me.
What are you doing?
You kissed me.
Yeah, so? Wait, are you jealous?
You disobey me, you get punished. When will you learn?
Maybe I don't want to.
So you like this?
Yes.
You enjoy being punished?
Yes.
Still thinking about your mate?
No.
Oh my god.
Check his pulse. Check his pulse. Jesus Christ.
Someone's dead, Alpha. I think his name's Peter.
West Point PAC meeting now in session.
Not much of a pack.
As you all know, we lost 3 valuable West Point members recently.
They were murdered.
Yes, they were. I suspect that these terrible crimes were acts of punishment. Possibly from a werewolf who still holds resentment.
Resentment against you or somebody else?
What are you trying to say?
I just think it's too much of a coincidence. Everything was fine, and then you show up, and people around you start to die. I mean, who's next? Mercedes? Me?
I agree.
What?
I think Derek did this.
What? That's impossible.
It checks out. Derek killed Brittany to protect Natalie, a West Point PAC warrior. Then eliminated Peter, his competition.
We will now be in full pursuit of Derek Blackwood, the former Alpha of Lakeshore PAC. Anyone who harbors him will be treated as an accomplice.
But Alpha?
You've been in contact with him.
What? No. This is bullshit.
I'll go talk to her.
I only ask because it's probable. It wasn't personal. You have no right to walk out like that. Are you crying?
No. Go away, please.
This is my room.
Then let me go. Let me go back to the woods. I just want to live a normal life. Peter was my friend. How could you accuse me?
I know. I'm sorry.
I don't get why all this is happening. I'm so scared.
I know. Come here. Let me guess. Peter. Fatal vampire bite paired with a cover-up.
Exactly.
Broken neck again. The Derek story will hold up for a bit. It makes sense. If the vampire keeps striking...
It's bad enough that they're back, but why are they after my Natalie?
Your Natalie?
She's my mate.
What? Since when?
I've known ever since I first put her against the ropes when we were training. I was waiting for her to recognize me, to reciprocate, to obey. But she found someone else.
Alpha.
Her mate isn't me.
What the?
Training's starting soon.
I thought I had the week off.
Changed my mind after last night. You need close combat practice.
Ugh.
5 minutes.
I can't believe you did this.
If Derek's a murderer, you'll need special training.
And everyone else gets a break.
Never let your guard down.
I think you broke it, Alpha. It really hurts. Never let your guard down. Wait, what's wrong? I won.
You tricked me.
Yeah, it was a ploy. It's a successful one. Shouldn't I be rewarded?
Rewarded? Tell me, how's that gonna work against someone that doesn't care about you? Who's trying to hurt you? The only reason it worked on me is because...
Because you what? Stop. Wait, turn around and look at me. Jace, please. Wait. Is everything black and white to you? It's either your way or it's wrong. What am I to you, a constant mistake, crime, and punishment?
Not a mistake. Not a crime and punishment. You're a wild card.
What do you mean?
I didn't kill your parents.
Yeah, I figured. You're not a killer.
It was an accident. They were on your way to reach you. Derek hit them with his car. I saw the whole thing with my eyes.
What?
He ran, and I didn't pursue. I saw him go off speeding. I'm so sorry, Natalie.
Why didn't you tell me?
Resentment is dangerous, so I kept it from you. I keep things from people to maintain order because order is the one thing that I can control.
What happened, Jace?
I trusted the wrong bunch. Even though I knew I shouldn't have. I took a gamble on a gray area. And I lost half my pack.
They died?
In battle. Yes. It wouldn't have happened if I didn't.
If you didn't.
I trusted a vampire. He led his kind right to my pack. Ever since then, it's been black or white, right or wrong. With you, I don't know what to do with you.
I am so sorry, Alpha. I just came to remind you it was time for memorial service for a recent tragedy.
Thank you, Beta.
We'll get through this, but we have to be careful.
They'll find the killer even if it's not Derek.
I just get so scared. Thinking the killer's right here, watching us.
Silas. So, you joined a neighboring pack?
Well, something like that.
You said that last time. You're so funny, you know that? I like you.
I like you too. You're not an obedient dog like the rest of them.
Did you just call yourself a dog?
Well, I'm not a werewolf, so...
Huh. I feel like I should be alarmed by that, but I'm not. There's something about you, Silas, that just makes me feel so turned on. Have you heard of a mate bond?
I have indeed. I've heard it makes this much better. What do you say we get out of here? Far away from all this nonsense. No rules. It's all right. If you're really your father's daughter, my dear Natalie, you live.
Silas, he kissed me. He's a vampire. Where did he go?
He ran away. I had to let him go to get you back here. Look, I
gotta tell you something.
Derek's not the killer. The 3 victims, they died from vampire bites. And as you know, those are fatal to us. We knew, but we had to keep it secret to avoid panic.
Derek was the perfect scapegoat.
I thought Silas was kind, gentle.
It's rare, but some vampires are gifted enchantment. He can get inside your head. How long were you going to keep this from me? You owe us the truth, old man.
That's what I was going to talk to you about. You see, kid, you're immune.
What? That's not possible. Unless she's half vampire.
Not vampire.
Not vampire? What other creature is immune to vampires?
That would be... dragons.
What do you mean, dragons? They went extinct centuries ago.
I've always adored you, my precious little granddaughter. Until one day I overheard your parents talking. I found out that your mother had an affair with a dragon, the last of its kind. I know. They're ruthless, manipulative, with no sense of decency. But she told your father she loved this dragon so much that she had...
No!
You...
No, stop! I
with
don't want to
him.
hear anymore!
I couldn't bear the fact that you were half dragon, with cold blood running through your veins. So I abandoned you. My family, my pack. And I left.
This dragon. What was his name?
Something I will never forget. He thinks he's royalty. That Lorenzo Viserion.
Your father was Lorenzo.
I'm not my mother. I don't love Silas. I know that. When I see him, it feels like he's my mate, but when
That was him. A vampire. So your father's a dragon and your mate's a vampire? This is just spectacular. Cold-blooded creatures just really must be your thing.
Jace, don't say that.
I'm going to give you two some privacy.
I didn't know he was a vampire.
But you thought he was your mate? So you slept with me and left with him in public. Perfectly justifiable.
I was enchanted. You said so yourself.
How do I know you're not enchanting me right now?
What? Are you serious? You don't even like me half the
How
time.
can I not like you, Natalie? You're my mate. At least, I thought you were.
Jace, when did you find out?
It doesn't matter now. Does it? You want to know why I am the way I am? Who I should thank? Lorenzo, your father. He proposed an alliance. Something better than a truce. Trust between vampires and werewolves. And I believed him because he was the last dragon. He had an army of vampires. And I was young and stupid, and I bought in to his sincere words and his hospitality. I opened my doors to him. We all did.
Jace, please.
He led them to us. Over 80 of them. Bloodthirsty. We fought as hard as we could. Vampires. Dragons, they're all the same. Cold-blooded creatures with no remorse. Enemies. I know you are one too.
No,
You can stay here tonight.
Rest and recover.
Tomorrow I want you gone. From my house and from my pack.
Kid, it'll be okay.
How? It's not gonna be okay. I'm a freak. I don't even know who I am anymore. My father killed half of West Point Pack.
There's a way to fix that. In 3 days, there'll be a lunar eclipse, a blood moon. Your werewolf powers will be amplified by it. Then, and only then, if you reject your father's blood under the moonlight, you will sever all ties with him and with dragons as a whole.
All ties?
Yes, all. You will then be fully just a werewolf. He's definitely working for Lorenzo. Ask him what he wants. Look, I have a plan. It's risky, but if it's something you really want, 3 days. Tell him you want to meet your father, but you need time to cut ties with Alpha Jace.
Nat!
Are you ready? Remember what we learned. Anchor
in my
your
heart.
heart. Go. I believe in you.
Long time no see, Nat.
It's you.
Happy to see me?
You fucking killed my parish.
Stop!
I definitely see Elaine in you.
What do you want from me?
Just you, and only you. I want you to come with me.
Why? I'm half of what you hate.
No. That makes you all the more beautiful, my dear. But I bet your wolf friends, they don't see it that way, do they?
Nat, you're on the wrong side. Trust me.
Trust you. You let your people die while you ran like a coward.
I'd do anything to survive. You should too. Jace doesn't want you there anymore, I bet.
How'd your bite heal, love?
Silas, I trusted you.
I didn't mean to trick you, Nat. I did what I had to do. How else would I have known if you were really Lorenzo's daughter?
And if I wasn't, you were just gonna let me die?
Be unfortunate, but necessary. I did what I had to do. Now you're here, with us.
You killed Peter? You killed innocent people.
No. He was coming in between you and Silas. And the girl was assaulting you.
Peter was my friend.
Wrong place, wrong time.
Natalie, my dear. You were overthinking this whole thing. We're just looking out for you. Doing what's best for you.
We even got you a new phone, darling.
That was you?
Yeah. We had to make sure you will come home. Drink this. It contains my blood. It'll give you the full ability of a dragon. You will never need a wolf pack. Ever again.
I'm not drinking that.
Natalie, you've got dragon blood running through your veins, and our species is going extinct. This is no time to act childish. I'm your father. My only regret is that I couldn't raise you to be something more.
To be what? A killer like him?
No. A ruler. Once upon a time, our people ruled this land from sky to sea, and now it's time to take it back. Humans, vampires, werewolves, all bow beneath our feet. You were born to be a ruler. To be a queen.
A queen?
Yes.
My queen. After Lorenzo's rule, everything will be yours. To do with as you please. Including me.
And all it's gonna take is a little betrayal. Say goodbye to your cold-blooded Alpha Jace.
Okay.
That's a good girl, Natalie.
Natalie? You don't get to call me Natalie!
Silas! Take her!
Don't worry, love, I'll be gentle. My king, you must leave first before you're in harm's way.
Natalie!
I broke the enchantment. I didn't do it.
It's okay, Natalie. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I doubted you.
I didn't betray you. Till the end. I'm not my mother.
I know. I'm sorry, Natalie.
Only you can call me Natalie. I kind of like it when you I love you, Jace.
Alpha, today's pack assembly.
Yours.
And the training afterwards.
Yours.
Would you consider a shower?
Get out. That's an order.
How long have you not showered?
You're awake.
Yes. But the blood moon, that means I'm still.
I don't give a damn what you are.
Jace, I feel it.
You.
I feel our mate bond.
The moon goddess hasn't forsaken me. Natalie, I'm so happy.
So now what? Your wild card just got a big upgrade.
You're a wild card enough without it. We'll hide your identity for now. Which means you'll have to hide until your wounds heal.
Fine. Then what?
Then I'll meet with the other packs. Red Dawn and Nightwind. The big ones. And we'll wage war on Lorenzo and his flock of vampires together. Strike them before they strike again.
Does that mean that I can finally fight with you and not against you?
Yes. You and me against the world.
But me against you sometimes.
Don't test me.
Last one.
All packed?
Yep, and ready to get out of here.
Oh, so Alpha Jace finally decided to get rid of you, huh? About time that you moved back to the woods.
Sure. Whatever you say, bestie.
Can't believe you're leaving.
I know, I'm gonna miss you so much. You have to come and visit, okay?
Of course.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay. Oh, there he is.
Ready to move in with me? For real this time? You got a lot of house rules, you know.
Well, I'm sure I can change them as your future Luna, my
I'm sure you can.
Promise you'll come visit?
Yes. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
Ready?
Yes. Ready for this next chapter?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
My king, I've summoned the other vampire covens.
It's time we prepare for war.